Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. I'm happy to present you Diversset. That's the fast and simple solutions for equity investors. If you're trading stocks, this application is must-have for you. So let me tell you in more detail what my application does. Diversset helps you find great stocks tailored to your investment strategy and builds an efficient, well-diversified investment portfolio. An efficient portfolio is the portfolio where you will get the minimum possible risk level given your required return. In simple words, efficient portfolio distributes the stock weights in your portfolio in such a way that you get the minimum possible risk level and expected volatility from all other portfolios on the market with the same stocks that you have, but with different weights of those stocks. And Diversset builds that portfolio and finds you great stocks just in a couple of clicks. You don't have to know complex financial ratios, you don't have to undertake equity valuation or no fundamental analysis or difficult portfolio management models. All you have to do is go to this website, answer 4 simple questions, and you're ready to go. You will get the list of stocks that will ideally match your investment strategy and stocks that will be tailored to your risk appetite. And then you will be able to build your efficient, well-diversified investment portfolio. Thank you for watching my presentation video. If you want to use Diversset, you can go to this website. It is completely free and it provides very fast and timely solutions for stock investors. Thank you very much for watching my presentation.